Good morning, little dino. The sun is here to say hello.
Good morning, friends. Stretch up high, touch the sky. Let sunshine wake up your happy room.
First, tidy your cozy bed.
Wow, nice and neat. Tip, 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 off to the bathroom. Splash, splash, wake up your face. Time to wash your hands. All clean.
Toothpaste on, ready to brush.
Top, bottom, front and back, shiny smile attack. Shiny smile attack. Potty first. Then flush. Clean hands keep germs away. Wash your body, stay clean and fresh. What should I wear today? Yay, this shirt is cool. Socks next, and my favorite hat, all dressed up. Hee! Yay, yummy breakfast gives me energy. I chew slowly. Munch, munch. Milk makes me strong. Yum! I love milk. Thank you for this yummy breakfast. I packed my learning tools. One shoe on. Second shoe on. I'm ready to go. I'm ready for school. Let's have the best day ever. Bye-bye, Mom.